In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view blocked email addresses on Gmail. Accessing this information can help you manage your email rules and ensure that important messages are not inadvertently blocked. So, let's dive right in and walk through this straightforward process step by step. To get started, you'll need to open Gmail on a computer. For the best experience, I recommend using a desktop, as the settings and options are more comprehensive than what you might find on the mobile app. Once Gmail is open, log into your account with your email address and password. This is an important step since you'll need full access to your settings, which isn't possible without logging in. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a gear icon. This icon is your gateway to all the settings you might want to adjust or review. Click on this gear icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select the option labeled See All Settings. This will take you to the settings page, where you can manage various features of your Gmail account. After you're in the settings menu, look for a tab called Filters and Blocked Addresses. Clicking on this tab will reveal a list of any filters that you've set up, as well as the email addresses that you have blocked. This feature allows you to handle your incoming mail efficiently and ensures that unwanted emails don't clutter your inbox. Now scroll down the page a bit. You should see a section that says, "The following email addresses are blocked." Here, you'll find the complete list of email addresses that you've chosen to block. This list can be handy, especially if it's been some time since you set your filters and you need a refresher on which addresses are being filtered out. If you notice an email address that you no longer wish to block, you can easily make changes. Next to each blocked email address, there will be an Unblock button. Simply click this button for any email address you want to remove from the blocked list. This action will stop Gmail from automatically treating incoming emails from that address as spam. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can view and manage your blocked email addresses on Gmail. This proactive approach to handling your emails can help keep your inbox organized and ensure you don't miss out on any important messages inadvertently. Thanks for following along, and happy emailing.